Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic and that you had a great Mother's Day. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use a shower curtain to create a beautiful wall art. It's probably going to be one of the easiest DIY that I'm ever gonna show you in this channel. Let me give a big shout out to my girls. Follow me at the Glam Squad here on YouTube and Tamara Bradshaw on Instagram. They inspired me to do this DIY because I saw it on the platform first. As I mentioned before in this channel, I am not a crafty person, but I'm learning how to craft. So most of my DIYs are inspired by someone. Link for the Glam Squad video will be in the description box, and Tamara Bradshaw's info will be there as well. This is the shower curtain that I'm going to use. It is from Overstock. I bought it for my guest bathroom upstairs, but I did not want to use it anymore because I felt like it was too much. When this video idea came to mind, I thought it was perfect for that. I bought it from Overstock. It is a little bit more on the pricey side, but on Amazon they have some of them that are less expensive. I will leave the link for both of them in the description box. I'm gonna flip it inside out so I can iron it, remove all the crease and wrinkles that are in the fabric. I'm gonna be extra careful to make sure I do not burn the fabric since it is very fragile, and I'm going to adjust the heat accordingly. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. My name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. To all of my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. This is the canvas that I'm going to use. I'm going to repurpose it. I bought it from Macy's Backstage a little while ago, but lately I'm not feeling it too much, although it is beautiful. But if I want to use it again, I can always remove the shower curtain and use it again. So it is all good. I'm not even gonna prime it because the shower curtain is totally blacked out, so none of this design will be showing through. Because I need a lot of space to work, so I'm gonna do it in my foyer. And to protect the shower curtain, I'm putting this sheet on the floor to make sure it does not get dirty. So I'm gonna remove the hanging hook that came with the canvas so I can use them later. I'm gonna use a stapler gun to start stapling the fabric on the canvas. And I'm only gonna staple it in a few places before I staple it completely because I want to make sure the fabric is not creased and there's no extra fabric before I move forward. As I'm doing that, I'm making sure I stretch the fabric as much as I can. Once again, to make sure that I do not have any crease or please, or the fabric is not loose.
La designer, pero mira como vaina, girl. La patrona la designer, pero mira como vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases, ay, y aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara.
Now I'm gonna flip the canvas to make sure there is no extra fabric and it is totally fitted. It looks good to me, so I'm gonna continue with the stapling process. Then I move on the table because being on the floor was very difficult to staple the canvas.
Que no sea normal, mala. Estamos en la buena, pero con ellos en la mala. Solo tenemos una vida, hay que gozarla, bebé. Hay que gozarla, bebé. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. La patrona la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases, ay, y aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style, por eso andamos fire, por eso andamos. Vamos a bailar toda la noche hasta las 12. Vamos a vivir la hippie life, vivimos del roce. Aquí todo es natural, no me cambia mi pose. Y estamos a los cortes porque no me conoce. Tranquila hasta el fin. Aquí estamos flow, pues nunca flow play. Sé que somos happy porque estamos buen güey. Tú siendo mi Django sería tu Jim. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. La patrona la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases, ay, y aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style, por eso andamos fire, por eso andamos.
I love how this canvas turned out. It is super beautiful and luxurious and glam. But guys, let me know what you think about it. Please give me a thumbs up and share it with one of your friends or your family member. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button or turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I will see you on the next one. I love you always. Bye. Mwah.
La patrona la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designer.